In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix couldn't sign you into Xbox Live Forza. So let's get started. We're gonna look at various solutions and let's get started with the first one, which is the most likely issue that could happen. Check your internet connection. Internet connection. Okay? So ensure you have a stable and reliable internet connection because a weak or a slow connection can prevent successful sign-ins. The next one is verify Xbox Live status. Verify Xbox Live status. So visit the official Xbox Live status page to check for any ongoing services, outages, or disruptions. The next one we have is restart your console. Restart your console. So a simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches or software issues. You could also try clear Xbox Live cache. So clear Xbox Live cache. So you go to your Xbox console settings and clear the Xbox Live cache. This can help resolve potential issues related to stored data. The next one is update your console slash game. Update console and your game and game. So ensure your Xbox console and Forza Horizon 5 are up to date with the latest software and game updates. You could also try a different network. Try a different network. Okay, so if possible, connect to a different network, for example a mobile hotspot, to see if the issue persists. Now if none of the above solutions work, then reach out to Xbox support for further assistance because they may be able to provide specific troubleshooting steps or identify the cause of the sign-in error. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.